Quick Pack Cup Filling Machine. When the packing quantity is small, say as in the case of tea or coffee powder, it is advisable to go in for volumetric measurement like Sensograph Easy Pack, which you can see on your screen. It is a cup filler, and one can get a count as high as 90 packets per minute. It also has telescopic height adjustment for accommodating different sizes of cups. Cup filling machine is used for packing cosmetic and pharmaceutical powders, granular products like spices, pan masala, detergent, etc.
You can be rest assured with high quality, timely delivery and post-sale service. Sensograph, packaging simplified.